She said it's 1:30 a.m. Tell me what you call for. I just need somebody ready to tell me what it's all for. You know what you stand for, you know what you fall for. Said you don't believe in me, well that's your son called for. These things take time.
Juggling can be tricky, but once you learn how to do it, it's actually really easy. If you want to be able to juggle, you need to have good coordination and be able to use both hands really well. Step 1. Juggling with one beanbag. Grab one beanbag and throw it back and forth between hands. Throw it about right above your head. Try and get good enough at this that you can do it while blindfolded. Step 2. Juggling with two beanbags. Take two beanbags and place them in both hands, then throw one up. When that one gets to the top of its arc, throw the next one. Switch off which hand you start with. Keep doing this until you're really good at this. Step 3. Starting the juggle. Grab 3 beanbags and place 2 in one hand and 1 in the other. Put the 2 beanbags in your dominant hand, then throw the top beanbag in your dominant hand up, and then when it reaches the top of its arc, throw the load beanbag. Then the one in your dominant hand, and then repeat. And hopefully you're juggling. If you happen to find yourself walking forward while you're juggling, try sitting down so that you can't move forward. Now that you've learned how to juggle, here are a few juggling trick shot ideas. Cool trick shots are actually pretty easy. They're more like a setup than anything. Here are a few quick tutorials on how to do some trick shots. The 2-ball split is the easiest one I'll show you. You need the cue ball and 2 others. Take the cue ball and put it across from the middle pocket. Now line up your cue up with the cue ball and the corner pocket and place the 1 ball next to it. Then repeat with the 2 on the other side. If you can't get your ball to freeze to another, take another ball and hit the top of that ball. 3-ball split isn't much harder than the 2-ball split. You'll need the cue ball and 3 others. Take the cue ball and put it across from the middle of the pocket, like on the last one. Now about 1 ball's leg forward, place the 1 ball. Now do the same thing with your cue as you did on the last one, except now align it with the 1 ball. Now place the 2 next to the 1. Then do the same thing with the 3. 5-ball split is a mix of the 2 other shots. It's also the hardest one I'll show you today. You'll need the cue ball and 5 others. Start by making a 2-ball split like we did earlier, except move it farther back. Now, do a 3-ball split just like I showed you earlier, and hopefully you can do it now.
Cat flicking looks hard, like the ones in our video, but it's actually really easy. Here's a quick tutorial on how to flick it and bounce bottle cap.
So if you really want to flick a cap or anything, if I were you, I'd prefer Gatorade caps, but you can flick anything. So the way you do it is you hold it with your thumb and your middle finger, and take your pointer finger and hold it like this, and squeeze really hard. Make sure you do that, and then flick.
So if you want to bounce a bottle cap like this, what you do is that you hold the bottle cap like normal, which we did teach you in the other video, and you just hold it sideways, kind of like this, and then you bring it down and flip it. This plan we're going to teach you how to make is a half glider, half dart. You'll see this in a lot of our videos.
So the first thing you do is you take half of the piece of paper and fold it on the inside so it kind of creates a half angle, but not 100%. And then you unfold it so that there's a crease there, and after that you do the exact same thing with the other side. And then you unfold that. And then you take the pieces of paper and align them up with the side of the lines like this. So it's kind of taking the form of a paper airplane. Do that with both sides. And then fold the top part down about to the middle or a bit over the middle of the paper airplane and fold it right there. Then take the two pieces of paper and fold them on the inside of the line that should probably already be there. After that, you take the bottom part and fold it in just like this. And then you fold in half like any other paper airplane. And fold it back like that. Ta-da!